Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to upcycle an empty shampoo bottle and a dinner placemat into a beautiful Glam wall sconce. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. First, we will need an empty plastic shampoo bottle, preferably one that is clear or white color. We will also need a placemat. The one I will be using has an interesting mosaic-like design. You will see that on one side of the placemat it is metallic silver and on the other side it is white. I also found this placemat in metallic gold as well. We will also need a silver framed picture frame. The one I'm using is 4 by 6. We will also need one battery-operated LED hanging lamp. The one I'll be using is silver, but I hear that Dollar Tree sells it in gold too, if you can find it. We will also need the stick from one solar stake light, a string of silver beaded necklace, and one clear acrylic diamond gem. We will also need some silver jewel cropped stickers or rhinestone ribbon. My rhinestone ribbon was purchased in bulk from Amazon. And to help us with today's project, we will need a box cutter or X-Acto knife, as well as some white glue and our handy dandy glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. To start, make sure your shampoo bottle is empty and cleaned out. Then use your box cutter to remove the bottom of the shampoo bottle so that you have an opening. Next, we will need to measure out a piece of the placemat as it will be used to cover the outside of the empty shampoo bottle. Once the placemat is cut to size, use a small amount of hot glue to adhere it to the outer portion of the empty shampoo bottle. If necessary, use a good pair of scissors to trim any excess from either end of the shampoo bottle. Then take the solar stake light and remove the stick from the rest of the solar light. Put the solar light aside for a future project as we will only be using the stick part. Using the hot glue gun, apply some hot glue to the edge of one end of the stick and then insert it into the smaller opening of the shampoo bottle. Allow about half an inch of the stick to be inserted and apply more glue to ensure the stick is secured. Then, using some hot glue, adhere a string of silver beaded necklace around the small opening of the shampoo bottle. Next, insert the clear acrylic gem into the other end of the stick using some hot glue. Once again, apply a string of silver beaded necklace around the end of the stick where the clear acrylic gem was inserted. Then continue to embellish the shampoo bottle with the same silver beaded necklace, trimming either ends of the shampoo bottle. Once you are satisfied with the embellishments, it's time to insert the LED hanging lamp into the large opening of the shampoo bottle. Use some hot glue to ensure the LED lamp is affixed securely. Once done, place the shampoo bottle aside. Take the silver picture frame and disassemble it by removing the backing from the frame. Set aside the paper as we won't need it. Then, take the backing and gently remove the leg from it, since we won't be needing that either. Then, for the cardboard backing, we will use some white glue to adhere a sheet of diamond wrap cut to size. Set it aside and let it dry for about 20 minutes. Once dry, reinsert the cardboard and backing into the glass frame. Then apply some hot glue to the front top center and front bottom center parts of the frame. Then place the shampoo bottle vertically onto the frame and set it aside for the glue to set. Once the glue is dry, ensure that the shampoo bottle is affixed securely to the frame. We can then hang it on the wall. And there you have it, a beautiful functional glam wall sconce made from an empty shampoo bottle and dinner placemat. No one would guess that it only cost a few dollars to make. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.